first thing I did is I opened this up, storage container, and then this cover, and then this tray right here is the tray that it gets installed on. And if you see, there's two holes right here for the USB ports to go through. You just take that off, wipe down the little bit of dust that's in there, and then make sure you get the left USB in the left, right in the right, and you just feed them through the little holes in the center, just like that. Let it go all the way down through, slide it down. Now they've come through on the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. Let's hope you can. Alright, then they gave these two little patches. And these two little patches go one on each side, and you simply peel it off. Stick one right here. Okay, well, 3M is a stickier product than I thought. And then stick the other one on the other side. Okay, pain in the butt. Alright, now make sure it's all the way down, and then pull a little bit on the wires on the back side, and then push it into place. Flip it up. And if you look on these, one says data and one says charge. I'm looking for charge. Plug that into there. And down in here there is two USB port holes. Remove my dongle and install that into the data side. Alright, and then same thing with the other side. Find the one that says charge. Plug it in. Gotta make sure it fits in there properly. Don't force anything. My dad always said don't force anything. Okay, put that in there like that. Now, those wires are just hanging out down there. You could get some zip ties. Zip tie it up, and I might do that. Now, the little plastic pieces that hold it, but if you take the cover off, now it shuts. Your phone is charging, and it can be playing music, whatever kind of music that you would like. Alright, that's it for this video.